Lesson number 30. Do you know notes and coins? Hello little friends. Mom or dad send you to bring some items from the shop. Pay the money and say that the remaining money is well organized. Our dad has money and mother's purse also has money. But if there are more notes or coins, then we cannot count it properly and quickly, because we do not know all the notes and coins. Then, let's learn that notes and coins are of what rupees and how they are. We'll see coins first, which is to buy and sell in currency. Here are the coins in our currency. This is 1 rupee coin. Look at it carefully. There is 1 in English. So, this is 1 rupee coin. This is 2 rupee coin. Check it out. There is number 2 on it. So, this is a coin of 2 rupees. This is a coin of 5 rupee. Look, there is 5 digit in English. That's why this is a 5 rupee coin. This is a coin of 10 rupee. It has a number 10 written on it in English. So, this is the coin of 10 rupees. This is the digit which is written on the coin is worth the same coin. Now you get it? Now, let's see the notes. This is a 5 rupee note. See, the digit 5 has been written in English. This is a note of 10 rupee. Look, 10 is written in English on this note. This is a 20 rupee note. Look, 20 is written on it in English. This is a 50 rupee note. Look, 50 is written on it in English. This is 100 rupees note. Look at this. 100 is written on it in English. This is 200 rupees note. See, 200 is written on it in English. This is 500 rupees note. See, 500 is written on it in English. This is 2000 rupees note. Look at this. 2000 is written on it in English. This means the number which is written on the note is worth the same. Now let's learn how are the different parts of notes and coins. The 5 coins of 1 rupees are 5 rupees. 5 coins of 2 rupees are 10 rupees. If there were 2 coins of 5 rupees, then how much did it cost? Correct. 5 rupees plus 5 rupees equals 10 rupees. How many notes worth 50 rupees for make 100 rupees? Correct. 50 rupees plus 50 rupees equals 100 rupees. It means needed 2 notes of 50 rupees to make 100 rupees. What is the total cost of 4 notes of 500 rupees? 500 plus 500 plus 500 plus 500 equals 2000. It means 4 notes of 500 rupees equals 2000 rupees. Now tell 1 coin of 1 rupee plus 1 coin of 5 rupee plus 10 rupees note equals what? What are the total rupees? So, 1 rupee plus 5 rupees plus 10 rupees equals 16 rupees. If you buy 20 rupees of sugar and biscuits of 30 rupees from the shopkeeper, then how much total amount is given? 20 rupees plus 30 rupees equals 50 rupees. Now you understand these notes and coins. So, you learn more from your mother and father about it.